Hey guys, how's it going? It is Michael from Lean Body Lifestyle, and today what I'm going to show you guys how to do is how to make the Lean Body Lifestyle version of cinnamon rolls. And what that means is basically my version of cinnamon rolls that I created with a healthy twist, of course, like all my videos. So let's just go ahead and get started here. And what I have here is an electronic mixer. I'm going to use this to mix the batter for our cinnamon rolls. But you could do this in a normal bowl with a spoon if you wanted to. But first off, what we're going to do is just take a half a cup of whole wheat pastry flour. And then we're just going to add that right into our mixing bowl. And then next up on our list of ingredients will be 1 cup of oatmeal. And then what we're going to do is measure out a half a cup of oat bran. So I have the half a cup of oat bran. Go ahead and add that into your bowl as well. And now what I'm going to do is measure out 1 cup of almond milk, and we're going to add that into our bowl. Now keep in mind, if you don't have almond milk, you could use normal milk, that's fine too, but I like almond milk just because it has less calories. And now what we're going to do is add 1 whole egg and 1 egg white. And now I'm going to do the egg white. And if you don't know how to separate the egg yolk from the egg white, it's really easy. You're just going to crack the egg in half like this, and then dump the yolk back and forth, and you'll notice that the white part starts to fall into the bowl, which is what we want. So now that we have the eggs in our bowl, what we're going to do is add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and then 3 teaspoons of baking soda. And now for our last 2 ingredients that are really going to give it a nice cinnamon roll flavor. What we're going to do is take some ground cinnamon, and you can really add as much as you want, but keep in mind the more you add, the more that you will taste the cinnamon. So I'll probably add around 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, but I'm just going to eyeball it. And then our final ingredient will be a little bit of vanilla extract. So now we have all of the ingredients in our bowl, and I'm just going to go ahead and mix that up, and then I'll see you guys when it's done mixing. Alright, so now our batter is completely blended up. What I have here is a muffin sheet, and first off, just spray a little bit of non-stick cooking spray on there because that's always a good idea, and you don't want your muffins to stick to this pan. And then what we're going to do is take our batter and go ahead and put it into each muffin hole, and I'm going to go ahead and fast forward that part. Alright, so as you guys can see here, I went ahead and filled up each muffin hole, and with this batch I'm going to get around 12 muffins, and they're pretty good size. So now what we're going to do is stick these in the oven at 425 degrees for around 20 minutes, but obviously just keep an eye on them because you don't want them to burn. So I will see you guys when these are done, and we'll go ahead and top them off with some icing, so stay tuned. Alright, so here we are 20 minutes later, and as you guys can see, our cinnamon oatmeal muffins are basically completely done. And now what we're going to do is go ahead and take these out of our muffin sheet and put them on a separate plate. Alright, so as you guys can see here, I went ahead and took those out of the muffin sheet and got them on a separate plate. And now is the good part of the video, is the part where we're going to put the icing on our cinnamon rolls, I guess. And what I have here is some of the vanilla protein frosting that I've made a video on. You can click right here to watch it if you're a new subscriber. It's really easy to make, and it takes, around 2 minutes, so it's simple. And what we're going to do is take about a spoonful and put that on top of each cinnamon muffin. And as you guys will see here, we have our cinnamon and vanilla flavored muffin with a nice protein frosting on top. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for the rest of these. Alright, so I just finished spreading the icing across the tops of our muffins, and you guys can kind of get a good look at the healthy version of the cinnamon roll. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you wouldn't mind leaving a thumbs up rating on the video, please do so because it helps me out a lot and it lets me know that you guys appreciate the videos, and that's important to me. And if you want to see more recipes, stop by my website down below in the description. You can check that out for more. If you enjoyed this one, you'll probably enjoy that. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you next video. Bye.